So how to easily transfer your all contact or iCloud contact to your Gmail account. For that, you have to open your contact and press on list option. Then you can see your all contact. For example, in iCloud I have 1338. So you have press and hold and press on export. Now press on, if you want to, then you can see the save file. Now select your file where you want to save. For example, I want to save on my phone, and I want to create a new folder. Now save with, press on save. Now first part is done. Now go back and open any browser. For example, I am opening my Chrome browser and type contact.google. This website contact.google.com. you have to enter your, and now sign in with your email ID, username and password, and once done, then you can see all of your contact is available here. Now if you want to export it, now if you want to save it to your CSV file or another file, then you can export it. And to add it to your phone, press on plus icon, then press on create multiple, then you can see the import contact, then select your file. Now you have to select your file that you are saving previously. Go back, this on contact, and select this file. Now all file will be imported. Now here you can see the import. Press on import. Now importing on iCloud. So within couple of minutes or second, your all contact will be importing. You can see. So that's it. This is how you can easily import it. Hope it helpful. Have a good day.